Hey Brett, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I wanted to shoot you this video to show you a few things that you could do to start bringing in more business, both in roofing and concrete, because I see you did both. So the three things I want to talk to you about are backlinking, content, and citations. So if we jump over here to Google and we search for Roofing Ocala FL, first thing we see is this map pack here, and then under it we have the organic section. Obviously the guys who are up here at the top and in the top three of the map pack are collecting most of the business, so I wanted to show you a few things you can do to get there. So a main factor in being found up here at the top is through backlinking, and all a backlink is just one website linking to another. So we'll go ahead and plug these guys in to see what they have going on. So we see here that Quality Services Roofing has 34 referring domains or other websites, giving them 116 backlinks. We see that Ocala Roofing has 44 referring domains, giving them 149 backlinks. And when we plug you in, give it 1 second, we see you have 5 referring domains, giving you 19. So what would need to happen here is you would need to go out and get about 200 links, because you don't want to just match them, you want to pass them up. So get 200 links pointing back to your site. One way you could do that would be to go through all of their links and then also all of these guys' links. And you could just go through each one of them, see where you can get a link from as well. One thing when you're getting links, you want to be really mindful of the types of links you're getting, because there are spammy ones and there are trustworthy ones. Obviously, we want the trustworthy ones. That's what Google is going to favor. A great way to tell that is by plugging in the URL to this tool and checking out these metrics here. So this sort of represents the power and trust of a site. Ideally, these are going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So 22 and 22 would be really great metrics. 22 and 0.4 is not great, and neither is this guy at 24 and 0.6. So definitely want to do better than that. Also, if you can get any links from other roofing sites or other construction sites, that's going to be more effective for you. So getting relevant links to your industry would be a lot more effective. So, you know, instead of getting a link from, say, an automotive industry or the beauty industry or just some random link, try to make it relevant to your industry. So coming back to your site, we see you're being found for 2 keywords, so we can take a look at those. Dimension Construction and Next Dimension Inc. So that could be you, it could be another national company, but regardless, you're in the 16th position for that, so about the 2nd page for that, and then the 34th position, so about the 3rd or 4th page for this one. So I wanted to show you some actual keywords for Ocala Roofing. So we see, let me go ahead and use my filter so we can see Ocala. Okay, so Roofing Ocala FL is searched about 200 times a month. Roofing Ocala 90 times a month. Roofing Contractors 100. Roofers 60. Here's another small one for 20. Here's one for 60. So you can see that there's a pretty good amount of searches for roofers in Ocala. You know, probably over 500 searches. So you definitely want to get found for those keywords, so that way, you know, people are finding you and, you know, coming to you for the business. Something else I wanted to show you was Orlando, because I know you said you were interested in that market or breaking into it. So I just wanted to give you an idea of the search volume out there. So Roofing Orlando 100 times a month. Roofing Repair 250 times a month. Roof Repair 200. Apparently a lot of repair keywords. There's another 150. Roofing Companies 150. Let's see. So Orlando Roofing Companies 150. So you know, there's a lot of searches going on in Orlando. Obviously it's a huge market, a lot more searches, but also more competitive. So that's just to give you an idea of what's going on out there. So something else I wanted to show you was concrete, because I saw on your site that you guys do that as well. So when you're ready for Orlando, here's some keywords for that area to give you an idea of the search volume. So concrete Orlando 50, here's another 50, 50, 80, 200, 90, 90. So definitely some decent search volume out there. And then here was one for Ocala. Oh, sorry, that was Orlando. Here we go. So slightly smaller search volume. So concrete Ocala 40, concrete contractors Ocala 30, construction companies. Let's see. Yeah, so it really looks like there's only probably about 70 searches for Ocala concrete, but I mean that's still 70 searches that could come to you. So coming back to your website. In regards to content, that's all the words and photos on your site. So in Google's eyes, content is king. So the more you have, the better. We always recommend about 1,500 to 2,000 words on that homepage. And then, of course, lots of content on your back pages. So you could do the services with a drop-down menu that has, roofing, roof repairs, concrete, foundations, or whatever. Just have some service pages built out where you can put, about 750 words on those back pages as well. And then you could even do location pages for every location that you are servicing. Also, in regards to photos, let's see if I save image as. Well, it doesn't look like I can save image as on any of these, but if you notice, a lot of images are saved as just random letters and numbers, so you want to make sure all the images on your site are optimized with keywords as well, because when Google's crawling, they don't see images, they just read what's behind them. So coming back here to Google, so citations, those come to play here in the map pack, and it's one of the main ranking factors. All a citation is just a business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. We always recommend to get 350 citations just because most companies we look up don't ever have more than 50 to 75. So if you go ahead and get 350, you can just beat them out by a landslide. So I know I kind of gave you a lot of information, but I'll just do a recap for you real quick. To be found in that top organic section, you'd want to have about 200 backlinks pointing back to your site. What that's going to do is going to show Google you are the authority in your industry and you deserve to be at the top of the home page. Of course, you want to get all the relevant keywords plugged in as well. Then you want to go ahead and get lots and lots of content on your site. The more you have, the better. That will also show Google that you are the top person, you're giving the most information, and you should be at the top of the first page. 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page and about 750 on your back pages as well. And then you want to get the Google My Business listing, get it optimized, and get the 350 citations, so that way you can be found in the top 3 positions for the top keyword. All right, Brett, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out to us. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.